previous video, I showed you this Honda CRF250R. I chopped up the frame and put this Chinese pit bike engine in it. Although in the last video we did get the engine mounted, there's still plenty more to do. The first thing we need to do is reinforce the frame. I had chopped out this huge section here to fit the horizontal style engine. So now we need to connect it here to here on both sides. Now another thing to note is I do want to leave enough room right here in case I ever put a electric start engine in it. And I also want to make sure I have enough room here on the head because there's a chance I could put a 190 engine in this at one point, and I think the heads are significantly larger